Hello, friends. I'm Shalini. I regularly read and enjoy divine bliss through the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I'm here to share a part of my spiritual bliss with you. In this video, I'm sharing the teaching of Lord Krishna from the Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Krishna reveals himself as the supreme origin, sustainer, and ultimate goal of all existence. He explains that while the material world is bound to illusion, that is Maya, those who surrender with unwearying devotion can transcend rebirth. Krishna emphasizes that the final thoughts at death shape the soul's next journey, urging constant mindfulness of the divine. Highlighting Bhakti Yoga, he assures that even the simplest offering made with love is accepted, guiding seekers towards liberation. Come, let us enjoy his spice lesson together. And if this message touches your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more divine teachings. Shri Radhe.
We spend almost every waking moment chasing things we believe will finally make us secure. We run after wealth, success, or a quick escape from today's stress, only to watch those solutions slip through our fingers. The Bhagavad Gita categorizes this universal human pursuit. It states that 4 types of people approach the divine: those who are in distress, those seeking material wealth, those curious about the truth, and those who already possess wisdom. A contradiction emerges in how we operate. Most people approach an infinite force, using that connection to ask for highly perishable, temporary things. We try to build a permanent sense of peace from materials guaranteed to expire. That mismatch is the exact place where our daily suffering begins. To see why material things expire, look at time on a cosmic scale. The Gita describes massive, endless cycles of creation and destruction. Because everything in this physical world is bound by time, any happiness derived from it comes with an expiration date. Since everything we touch eventually dissolves, escaping this loop of temporary joy and inevitable anxiety requires finding something that outlasts the physical universe itself. True stability does not exist in the changing material world. Finding it requires anchoring yourself to an unmanifested, eternal force that remains untouched by time. This brings us to what the Gita calls Raja Vidya, the sovereign secret. It defines the supreme divine as the invisible foundation of reality itself. The entire universe is strung upon this divine force, exactly like individual pearls held together by a single invisible thread. It is the underlying essence of everything: the light emitting from the sun, the life inside all beings, and the primordial sound vibrating through space. Even though this force creates, organizes, and sustains the entire cosmos, it remains unattached to the material output. Understanding that we are all held together by this singular reality redefines how you view your own individual existence and purpose. The Gita lays out a strict rule regarding our very final transition. Whatever a person focuses their mind on at the exact moment of death dictates their next state of existence. The psychological trap is that you cannot trick your own mind at the very last second. If you spend life chasing money, obsessing over status or material desires, your brain is hardwired to default to those exact anxieties when the end arrives. Which leaves us with a challenge. How is a modern person supposed to train their mind to remember an eternal divine force while navigating a highly demanding everyday life? Securing your destination is not about the final hour. It requires changing how you operate every single day. We often imagine that spiritual salvation requires exhausting rituals or massive financial sacrifices. The Gita, however, points to a much smaller requirement. This is Bhakti Yoga, the path of devotion. This approach focuses on internal intention, allowing you to remain in the world while changing why you act within it. The Supreme Force accepts even the smallest offering, a single leaf, a flower, a piece of fruit, or just a drop of water, as long as it is offered with genuine love. The purity of that internal intention holds the value. It carries more weight than the physical scale of the sacrifice. Practically, this means you can attain peace without quitting your job, leaving your family, or retreating to a forest. You practice nishkam karma, or selfless action, right where you are. Whatever you naturally do, the work you perform, the food you eat, the help you give to others, you simply mentally offer it to a higher purpose. By dedicating your actions this way, you strip away the anxiety over the outcome. You are no longer stressed by the fruits of your labor, freeing yourself from the constant cycle of action and reaction. Because this force is impartial, it favors no one and rejects no one. This means even a person with a heavy past has an immediate path to change through this devotion. The Gita guarantees that a true devotee's effort never perishes. Victory comes from dedicating our everyday actions to the eternal.